Okay children, in the last video we have studied about input devices. Now it's turn for output devices. Output devices allow us to show the output or the work done by the computer on the screen or in front of us. Whatever data that we entered through input device, after processing we need to see that data. What has happened to that data? What information have we got? So output devices are used there. First output device is monitor. Monitor is also known as VDU, that is visual display unit. Whatever that you are doing on the computer, it is visible on the screen or the monitor. The next is printer. Printer is used for getting the output on the paper. The output gets printed on the paper. Then a speaker. Speakers are usually the set of two boxes through which we can listen the sound or songs or any such thing. Then plotter. Plotter is used for converting data into graphics. Means it converts our data, our information in the form of graphs. And last is digital projector, which most of you must have seen, all the children must have seen in their singing class or in the multipurpose hall or even in the junior hall. It is a small box connected with the computer which shows when it gets connected to the computer, it shows whatever that is on the monitor onto the wall or the screen. All of you have seen children, like in the junior hall you have seen on the projector screen. Whatever that is shown on the monitor, it is visible to you. You have seen stories, you have seen songs, and in the singing room also, sir uses projector to display the songs in front of you. And even in the smart class also, you have seen the projector. Same projector we are talking here. Then storage devices. Storage devices are used for storing data for long-term use. The memory of the computer is short, and also we cannot store a large amount of data in the memory of the computer, otherwise it will stop functioning properly. So we need devices which can store our data for the longer period of time, and we can take it from one place to another. First is USB flash drive. It is a small drive. USB means Universal Serial Bus. The full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus, means it is used for connecting devices and it doesn't change from one device to another. Means like in the case of pen drive, you can use a pen drive in almost all kind of computers. So it is universal. Flash drive, it is a small storage device, and it is very portable. You can take it anywhere with you. Then CD and DVD, it is usually circular in shape and it can store lot of data. Then multimedia card, it is a very small card and it is available in different storage capacities. Parents, you can show the card of your computer, of your smartphone to your child for showing how the multimedia card looks like. Then hard drives, these are external hard drives. It can use either USB or firewire connections. It can get connected to computer and it can store a large amount of data, more than these devices. And these are very affordable and they can be used for sharing also. So this was all about this chapter, that is lesson number 4. Parents, please note that exercises from the chapter and curricular assessment 1, which is attached to this PDF, you can do in the rough copy. You will not do the question answer of curricular assessment. Means I am not telling you. If you want to read, if you want to do, you can do on your own. And you will not do any exercise in the fair copy. One more time I am telling you, you will not make your fair copy just now, but whenever you will make, you will not do any exercises there. You will do all the exercises in the rough copy or in the book itself. Okay, Thank you. Take care. Stay safe.